Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your Windows 11 build and creating a quick restore point. This prevents surprises. Next, download Taskbar X or OpenShell to restore the classic layout because these tools change taskbar and start behavior. Once done, run the installer with admin rights and accept prompts. Make sure to keep default options for stability. You'll see immediate taskbar options. Pause and read each label so you configure alignment, icons, and transparency correctly before continuing to deeper tweaks. You now configure the core layout. Open Taskbar X and set alignment to left, tweak icon size, and disable rounded corners where available, because these mimic Windows 10 visuals. Then launch OpenShell to select a classic Start menu skin and map Start items. This restores familiar folders and search behavior. Once the Start replacement is applied, open File Explorer options and enable classic navigation panes. These steps consolidate the look and improve discoverability. You finish by restarting Explorer or performing a quick reboot so all changes lock in. That resolves most transient glitches. If icons overlap or the Start menu fails, run the installed tools as administrator and reapply your chosen skin or alignment. This corrects permission-related failures. Finally, keep your restore point handy. If something still goes wrong, revert and try one change at a time. Remember, gradual application isolates the issue and gets you back to a stable Windows 10-like layout fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.